Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So for today, we are heading for an overnight camping at Qudra Lakes. Working here in the UAE for around 14 years now. So this is my first time going on a camping. Come, join me.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something.
Ma'am, hiling ko chikwari man. Asa itong baso? Dira. Parang tubig. Tungagan daw. Mag-init muna tayo ng tubig guys kasi magkakape tayo. Ang lamig! So it's around 1:30 now in the morning. We just finished eating our dinner after setting up our tent. Eto, pa-music galore muna tayo. There you are. This is Jamal.
How you know my name, ma'am?
Hi guys, this is Jamal, the great, the guapoyest.
How you know my name? I'm asking you.
Of course, Anil have
Anyone wants
informed.
cookie? With butter.
Pa-music muna tayo ng mga senti guys para mawala ang lamig.
got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets. Wake up, rewind and repeat. But I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought. And I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together? On the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky. And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be. Cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought. And I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together? On the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky. And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be. Cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. This is the forever that's supposed to be. Everything is perfect when you're holding me. Cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry.
Good morning, guys. It's already 8 o'clock in the morning. They are all still sleeping. Tara na, labas na tayo dito sa tent. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung surroundings at saka makapagkape na rin. So niligpit na ang tent para uwian na. Once again, thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.